Hello, my name is Eli. Welcome to Easy Adventures. If you never heard the alphabet in less than 1 second, well, here it is.
Okay, wait. Who's this?
She is Ivy.
Yeah, and guess what? This is my friend, the special guest, Jalen!
The alphabet in 1 second. Less than 1 second. 1, 2, 3.
T